Hello friends, today I'm back with a homemade spice powder. We are going to make sambar masala powder at home. We all love our idlis, dosas, vadas, and sambar goes best with those. So let's make it at home, and the right kind of spice mix and homemade masala makes the sambar very delicious. So let's proceed to make the sambar powder. Homemade sambar powder, so fresh and flavorful. Nothing can beat the homemade spice powders. Here are the ingredients to make sambar powder. Some curry leaves, quarter cup of coriander seeds, 7 or 8 red chilies, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of methi seeds, 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 tablespoon of tur dal, 1 teaspoon of oil and 5 cloves. Now we are going to roast these ingredients. First we will fry dals. Add little oil, 1 teaspoon of oil. Add the tur dal and chana dal. With this little bit of oil, dals give out a nice aroma and they get roasted very well. For other ingredients you don't really require any oil. So continue stirring so that they get roasted evenly. It takes about half a minute or so. Till the color changes, you keep stirring them. Now you can add the remaining ingredients: methi seeds or fenugreek seeds, coriander seeds, cloves, cumin seeds, dry chilies and curry leaves. You can increase the quantity of red chilies if you like. On medium flame, continue to stir. Continuously you keep stirring so that they get roasted evenly. In Andhra, they add more red chilies. Every state, the sambar masala has a little variation. It's made in slightly different way. So this is the way I make it. So you can give it a try too. Continue to stir until they give out a nice aroma. Switch off the gas and allow them to cool. Transfer the ingredients into the grinding jar. And here now at this stage I add little Kashmiri chili powder to give a nice color, about 1 tablespoon. This gives a good color to the sambar when you cook it. Now grind them to a slightly coarser texture. Here the sambar powder is ready. Perfect texture and it's so flavorful. Sambar made with freshly ground homemade masala tastes so delicious, just like the restaurant one. Put it in a dry sterilized jar and this masala stays good for months. But I like to make it little quantity every month fresh. So friends, do give it a try. I'm sure you'll love it. And if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from my collection. Check them out. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Stay tuned.